Looking for the best ceramic boost spray that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best ceramic boost spray that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Mother's Ceramic Boost Spray. This spray wax combines the slick feel of a quick detailer with the protective benefits of nanoquartz ceramic technology, making it a practical choice for maintaining a glossy, well-protected finish. Its ultra-slick formula helps lubricate the surface during cleaning, reducing the risk of light scratching while leaving behind a smooth, liquid-like shine. The SiO2 protection adds water and contaminant repellency, helping rain, dirt, and grime release more easily from the paint. It can be used on its own for convenient protection or layered over an existing ceramic coating, sealant, or wax to boost gloss, depth, and durability. Application is refreshingly simple. Spray it onto the surface and wipe it off, making regular paint maintenance quick and hassle-free. Overall, it offers an excellent balance of shine, slickness, protection, and ease of use for everyday detailing. Next up is XPL Ceramic Boost Spray. XPL Ceramic Boost is a practical solution for keeping your car's paint and protective film looking cleaner, glossier, and better protected against everyday environmental exposure. Its spray-on SiO2 formula creates a micro-thin protective layer that helps resist debris, contaminants, dust, lint, and minor surface wear while reinforcing the protection already on your vehicle. The hydrophobic properties are particularly useful, causing water to bead and roll away more easily while helping prevent grime from sticking to the exterior, so the car can stay cleaner between washes. It is also designed for convenience, requiring no complicated equipment or time-consuming process. Simply spray it onto the surface and wipe it off. Whether used as a maintenance booster for existing protection or as an additional layer of defense against weather and road conditions, Ceramic Boost offers an easy way to enhance surface protection while maintaining a smooth, polished appearance. Coming in at number 3 is Next Gen Ceramic Boost Spray. Next Gen Ceramic Spray delivers a professional-grade approach to exterior vehicle protection by using high-grade SiO2 to form a durable, hydrophobic layer that helps shield paint and clear coat from everyday contaminants and environmental damage. It helps reduce the impact of dirt, mud, road salt, pollen, smog, acid rain, water spots, bird droppings, and bugs while providing UV protection against fading. The application process is impressively simple. Spray the product onto the surface, spread it evenly with a microfiber towel, then buff to reveal a deep, glass-like shine. Its versatility is another major advantage, as it can be used across various exterior surfaces including paint, metal, glass, plastic, rubber, vinyl, chrome, wheels, and tires, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and ATVs. The 8-ounce bottle also offers excellent value, providing multiple applications depending on vehicle size. Now number 4, Adams Polishes Ceramic Boost Spray. Adams Ceramic Spray Coating stands out by combining graphene chemistry with ceramic-style protection to create a highly practical exterior coating for enthusiasts and professional detailers. Its patent-pending ceramic glow technology uses UV tracers that can be activated with a UV blue light, making it easier to visually confirm coverage and avoid missed areas during application. The spray format also simplifies the coating process, allowing users to protect an entire vehicle panel by panel without complicated equipment or techniques. Its versatility is impressive, as the formula can be applied to painted surfaces, wheels, glass, headlights, plastic trim, bedliners, tonneau covers, canvas tops, chrome, unfinished metal, and more. The ability to monitor application while protecting multiple exterior surfaces makes it especially appealing for DIY detailing. Overall, it offers an innovative combination of graphene technology, user-friendly application, and broad surface protection. And finally, our last pick is Ethos Ceramic Boost Spray. Ceramic Refresh version 2.0 is a versatile maintenance spray designed to revive the appearance and protection of ceramic-coated and uncoated vehicle surfaces. Its CO2-based formula enhances hydrophobic performance, helping repel water, dirt, grime, and other contaminants so the exterior stays cleaner between washes. One of its biggest strengths is the instant visual improvement, delivering a deep, mirror-like gloss that makes paint look freshly detailed while adding a smooth, slick feel. The durable bonding formula is designed to provide more than 6 months of protection, making it a useful option for extending the performance of existing coatings, waxes, and sealants. Beyond painted surfaces, it can also be used on glass, plastics, and other suitable exterior areas, adding versatility to any detailing routine. Overall, Ceramic Refresh version 2.0 offers an appealing combination of easy maintenance, strong water repellency, long-lasting protection, and impressive shine for enthusiasts seeking a quick way to refresh their vehicle's finish. So those were the top 5 best ceramic boost spray you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.